Hello everyone, and welcome to break 1347 for the 2019 Gold Rush Baseball Value Pack. I want to thank everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Sunday, December 22nd, 2019. It's 10:06 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:06 p.m. Central Time, and 7:06 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, SJ has 1 spot, Mad Dog has 19, Jamo 2, and Tony with 8 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. SJ on top, Tony bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has SJ on top, Mad Dog on the bottom. And SJ, you have the Diamondbacks, Mad Dog Braves, Orioles, Tony Red Sox, Mad Dog Cubs, White Sox Reds, Tony Indians, Mad Dog Rockies Tigers, Tony Astros, Jamo Royals, Mad Dog Angels, Dodgers, Marlins, Brewers, Jamo Twins, Tony Mets and Yankees, Mad Dog Athletics, Tony Phillies, Mad Dog Pirates, Padres, Giants, Tony Mariners, Cardinals, Mad Dog Rays, Rangers, Blue Jays, and the Washington Nationals. And starting with Chicago and Eddie Stanky, game used bat 1 out of 25. So we'll see if that's the Cubs or the White Sox. Then we have for the New York Yankees, Pride of New York, we have Ruben Amaro. And then last but not least, we have a Leaf Metal Draft State Pride pre-production proof clear blue of Bobby Dalbec, 1 of 1. Very cool. So we'll look him up. So let's see which Chicago Eddie Stanky's going to. And that'll be the Chicago Cubs. That's going to Mad Dog. Congrats, Mad Dog. We also have 8 spots left in the 2019 Hit Parade Autograph Football. New York Yankees is going to Tony. Congrats, Tony. Let's see where Bobby's going. So he was drafted by the Boston Red Sox. And he is in the minors. But either way, it's going to the Boston Red Sox, which is going to Tony. Congrats, Tony. And that was break 1347 for the 2019 Gold Rush Baseball Value Pack. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll find us on social media on Instagram and Twitter. And our eBay store is P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.